Princess Shyngle. Also social media and a collab say oh yeah now we're what's up? Yeah, that comes. Social media and our collab say now sister, we know that she's almost in the news all the time. She's always in the news or they be bringing something different for us to talk about. Now she has detailed how her marriage got ruined on Oye new YouTube channel. Now sisi no advice no them my young girls no singles no those I want so one and see our kwando no ono aloka wa asema and afen so I want so one kasa so wa kwa anim no because ono wa komu 2 twice into onim ma oreka. Now what she is saying is that social media ruined her marriage. Social media ruined her marriage. Now the actress and also social media influencer who suffered a messy divorce in 2021 has been offering tips on how to avoid the mistakes she made in her marriage. Now men and women, especially women above the age of 30, have been admonished to be 1,000,000,000% sure of their decision to settle down as wives. Princess has revealed that social media is one of the main reasons that ruined up her marriage. Now for years she has been reading comments from her followers encouraging her to find a man and settle. This finally got to her and the result was brutal. And this is what she said: there is a lot of pressure on women to get married, especially me. I said to myself, before I clock 30, I want to be married with children. Society and social media got into my head because anytime you post a picture, you look happy and living your life. That one thing that everybody comments is, go and get married, go and find a husband. You are always naked on social media. It kind of got into my head, and at some point, especially when 30 was approaching, she decided to get married. She said in a video on her YouTube channel. Also, Princess Shyngle, who's married to Gibbo Balagay, lasted for a few months, has shared that women must be extra certain of the man they wish to marry. Be 110% sure. As a matter of fact, be 1,000,000,000% sure. Don't let anybody push you or force you into ever getting married, because let me tell you something, darling. After the wedding, after everybody has celebrated you, it is just you alone with that man or woman that you got married with. Don't let people pressurize you because you are 34, 35 or 40. If you haven't found the right person yet, do not settle because everyone is asking you to settle. Make sure the person you want to marry is your ideal person. This is the person you're going to wake up to for the rest of your life. If you want to settle and you haven't found the right partner, the right companion, the right spouse, don't settle for less. Get married. Don't settle for less. Don't be in a rush to get married. So this is what Princess Shyngle is saying. I say, what's it? Say, aponcheni fi insuasi bekacho say, then cheme wa yanjine chini. Because aponcheni one then cheme so na se ho. Into ono no ni bibi olokodo ho. Into ono osida wa kumbi. And she's learned her lessons. And so don't be in a rush. It's our me. I word in there pedal wala. If you are not sure, don't get into it. Thank you.